Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare simple and yummy pancakes. The ingredients are eggs, sugar, vanilla essence, warm water, cooking oil and the self-rising flour. This is the procedure. Beat the eggs in a bowl, add sugar, add few drops of vanilla essence, add 1 cup of warm water, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, add 1 cup of self-rising flour, mix to a knot, so thick or thin butter, heat pan and little oil, pour in a portion of the butter and cook on low heat till holes form like this. Flip to cook the other side also, then serve and enjoy with your favorite drink. That's all for today, guys. Watch, like, comment and share this video.